your backs and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Tidywittoya. This your girl Toya, and today I'm actually here to do a quick review on a product that was sent to me by Imethod Beauty. So this product is called an eyebrow stamp stencil kit, and so this is what the box looked like that it came in. And then this is the applicator for the eyebrow stamp that came in the box. The box also came with this little brush that you use to apply the stamp. There is also many varieties of stamps that you can use for your eyebrow. So whatever shape that your eyebrow is closest to, you use these little plastic pieces to determine whether this fits your eyebrow. You'll take this little plastic part out in order to start the process of stamping. I had already picked out my stamp and had applied it already to one of my eyebrows. So if you look at the two of these, you see this one is a little darker than this one. My eyebrows are kind of thin as they get to the back area, and so you can see the darkness that is from the stamp here. So this is the one that I'm using, and so what I'm going to do for my eyebrow is I actually like to brush it a little bit before I start, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, and then so the way the stamp works is you put it on the shape of your brow, right? And then for the other side, you just flip it over and place it on your other brow. And so I'm gonna make sure that it's aligned like it should. Mine's are a little bit on the shorter end, so make sure it aligns there. Okay. And then the applicator, the way the applicator works, the product is on the inside part here, and then this is the little applicator brush. And so you just open it up in order to reveal the brush. So I'm going to put it back right here. Maybe not lift my eyebrow up crazy. Okay. Now I am not a makeup wearer. I do not, even on special occasions really, like I will go to Sephora, get a sample of something, and then bring it back for somebody else to do my makeup. Oh, that one looks really good. It looks even better than the other one that I did. I don't know, I'm gonna have to do that over. But as you can see, it really thickens up your eyebrow. I actually was not able to get my eyebrows waxed this week. I did get my nails done though, but I wasn't able to get my eyebrows waxed, and so this is like a perfect solution when I can't get my eyebrows waxed. Now I may take a tweezer and like get some of the strays out from around there, but shoot, this other side looks better than that one. Well, and eyebrows are not even anyway, but that is actually how it turns out. I think this would definitely be something that I would use, not on a daily basis, but on days that I am like going out and about, which my husband and I don't typically do, but if we're going out for a night out on the town or something like that, and I can't get my eyebrows waxed. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. So thank you so much, Imethod Beauty, for working with me on this product. I will have an affiliate link at some point below in the description box for this video, but I wanted to just hop on here and show you all what it looked like. So hopefully you all like. If you want to try it out, definitely go to the bottom of this video for that affiliate link. And yeah, I think that is it. This product, I actually think that it is on Amazon, definitely. But just in case you want to get it, Imethod Beauty Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. So I hope you all have an excellent week. Sure, if you like this video, that you like, subscribe, and hit me up in the comments and let me know that you were watching today. And remember, keep it tidy. See y'all in the next one.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be